the last one, I'll just touch on this briefly. It was shown in the video, but this is actually going to be the subject of next week's webinar, is about vuforia expert capture. Okay, so this is really the fastest, easiest, most convenient way of capturing and authoring AR content without any existing assets. Okay, but again, like I said, look for that in next week's webinar for more details on that. Okay, so really, AR is a really important part of providing value to industrial manufacturers. Okay, so lots of companies are already using and looking into AR even before COVID happened. Things around increasing worker safety and efficiency, reducing waste and cutting costs, reducing risk and disruption, and really helping them to support customer demands. These are some numbers from some of PTC's reference customers. There are examples we can discuss in more detail if you're interested, but things like, $18 million reductions in scrap and rework per year, $8 million reductions in the cost of on-site visits, $3 million saved in decreasing training time and cost. So these are really huge numbers and real numbers that PTC customers are getting from implementing this technology. Okay. So, AR, I guess the last thing I wanted to say to this point is, AR is really this emerging platform for frontline work. So again, a quote from that AR, How We Work, the New Normal article, in a world where a remote workforce is the new normal, AR is technology whose time has come. Okay. Now, the last part I wanted to say about this, from PTC side, industry analysts out there, why should I look at PTC's tools? This is what, independent industry analysts are talking about, PTC's leadership in AR. Okay. So consistently rated as having very strong, the strongest really solution in terms of its capabilities, in terms of its innovation, in terms of their approach to industrial AR. PTC is really the leader in that space.